Hello children, hope you all are fine and safe in your homes. Okay, so in today's video we are going to continue the last topic, that is about tenses. Okay, last video we have discussed about present, past, future, the basic of that, and we have solved the problem questions also. Along with that, present continuous tense and simple present tense also we have discussed, and we have solved the questions also. So in today's video we are going to continue the topic with past tense, simple past tense, past continuous tense and future tense, and we are going to solve few more mains in that. Okay, so before starting the class, follow the steps. Sit in a comfortable position, don't bend your back, make sure you have your textbook and notebook with you and whatever you want for the video classes. Be away from all kinds of sounds and disturbances, and yeah, now 2 minutes of meditation. Okay, close your eyes, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Do this for 2 minutes. This improves your focus. Okay children, so I hope you remember the previous topic. And one more very important thing which I wanted to tell you is, I am not going to solve all the questions, because if it was a regular class I would have taken much time to make you understand and solve the questions. Since it's a video classes, so I'm trying to short the topics, and I'm explaining you in a simple way, because doing it in a video class everything will you may not understand. Okay, so even solving the mains, I can solve you all the mains, but it's of no use because you won't understand at a time. So I'm solving as less as mains possible, and so few mains I am just leaving off for your betterment only. Okay, so because we have to go through annual examination also, so you have to understand the concept, which is very very important. Solving the mains is not important here. You have to understand the concept, then you yourself can solve everything. Okay, so children, let's continue the topic now. Simple past tense. Okay, you know, I told you present, past, future, how it will change. Okay, like come, came, will come. Okay, if present tense is come and past tense will be came, how it will change up, like play, played. Okay, that conversion will be there, adding ed or changing the spelling. Okay, that's what we are going to learn here. Okay, like we play cricket, this is the present tense. Okay, we play cricket. Here what I have to change to make it as past tense, I have to change only this word. Play will become played. We played cricket. Okay, next sentence. I see him every day. I see him every day. This is the present tense. I see him every day. I am telling you now that if you want to change to past tense, I see will become saw. I saw him every day. See will become saw. This is what the conversion. Are you getting? So similarly, like do will become did. This you learnt in first standard. I have taught you few conversion from present tense to past tense. Do will become did, and what else? Okay, played is finished, and then goes, she goes, went. Okay, goes will become went, and what else? Okay, shout will become shouted. There are huge set of words. Okay, there are huge set of words in which you have conversions. I'm going to teach you that one by one. Okay, we'll learn the concept here first. Okay, so there are rules, like first rule is adding ed. If you just add ed at the end of the word, it's enough to change to past tense. Like if present tense is play, just add ed for that, it will become played. Okay, play, played. Next, laugh, laugh, laugh. If I add ed at the end of the word, it will become laughed. This is the first rule. Second rule. Okay, so what's the second rule? Few rules, like adding ed and changing the spelling. Spellings also will change. how I'm going to tell you. Okay, this is one rule. How I'm going to tell you. For example, decide is there. Decide. Okay, decided. Okay, decided. Here I'm going to remove this E and then add ED. If you are like reply, I have to remove Y and I have to write IED. Okay, replied. IED. Are you getting? Few spellings will change, okay, and you have to eliminate the word and you have to change the spelling. Then it will become past tense. For example, cry. If the word is cry, I have to remove the Y and I have to add IED. Cried. CRYED if you put, this is wrong. Okay, this is the correct spelling. CRIED, cry. Cry, cried. Okay, children? Okay, children, there is third set of rule, that is few words will be like totally word will change, like write, wrote, totally word is changed. Okay, then speak, spoke, and like do, did. Teach, I'm teaching you, right? Teach. Past tense for teach is thought. THOUGHT, thought. See, both are different words, but it is same meaning, but in present tense and past tense. So this is the third set of rule, that in which the word is changed totally. Okay, when you want to convert to past tense, the total word is changed. Okay, this is all about simple past tense. Now we are going to see simple, okay, past continuous tense. Okay, we'll see now. Now we will see past continuous tense. Okay, past continuous tense. So what do you mean by past continuous tense? Okay, as I told you, it is same as present continuous tense. Okay, children, so past continuous tense we are going to see now. It is same as present continuous tense, like adding ing for the verb. For example, children were playing. Children were playing football. Okay, playing, ing. Okay, this is what I told. And children is a plural, no? So we have to use were. If it is a child was playing. Okay, child, CHILD, child is a singular. Child was playing. Playing will not change. Okay, this tenses, this verbs only will change. Was, were. Was is for singular, were is for plural, and these both are past tense only. Okay, these are past tense only. Only you have to keep remember is continuous. Wherever you see continuous tense, keep in mind the main verb should be in the form of ing and the other verb should depend on singular and plural. Like I told you in present continuous tense, if it is singular, he, she, it, you have to use is, okay. And if it is plural, then you have, like if it is plural form, then you don't have to change the verb. If it is singular form, then you have to change the verb. Okay, once we'll see in the textbook. Okay, if you are there in the textbook itself, I'll show you the examples directly, and then we are going to solve the exercises part. Okay. Okay, children, so here we are going to end up this chapter with the future tense. So you don't have to worry anything about future tense because it's not given in depth for you. But because like maybe in the coming classes, 3rd or 4th standard, you will going to learn in a very good way. Okay, the future tense, that is nothing but she will go to Mumbai. I shall return the book tomorrow. As I told you, if the things are happening tomorrow, and I even told you in the beginning only. Okay. Okay, children, so I even told you in the beginning itself that will is a future tense and shall is also future tense. I shall return the book. She will go to Mumbai. Okay, so all these words are describing a future tense. Okay, that's all, simple. So as in today's video we have taught we have learned simple past tense and past continuous tense along with that future tense. Like you have seen how the present tense has been converted to past tense using some set of rules which is given here. You can refer. Now we are going to solve it. Okay, exercises. Attract, attracted. Ed you have to write. Okay, just add ed. Next, bite, bit. Bite past tense is bit. Build, built. Instead of d you have to write t. Cancel, cancelled. You have to write double l. Cancelled. Okay. Next, catch, caught. C-A-U-G-H-T, caught. Total word is changed, spelling is changed. Okay. Choose, choose. You have to remove one O. Come, came. Dig, dug. Drive, dive, dived. Ed. Drink, drank. Okay. Drive, driven. Drone, droned. Fall, fell. Feed, fed. Find, found. Past tense is found. Fly, flew. Forget, forget will become what, children? Forget will become forget, forgot. Forgot. Freeze, freeze. Tell me, freeze will become froze. Give, gave. Grow, grew. Have, had. Hit, hit. Hit will be hit only. Hold, held. Hurt, hurt. Hurted will not come. Hurt will be hurt only. Few words will not change, like put, put. Past tense is put only. Cut, cut only. Similarly, hurt, hurt. It will not change. Okay. Next, keep, kept. Knee, kneel, knelt. Knit, knitted. K is silent, children. Know, knew. Learn, learned. L-E-A-R-N-T, learnt. Leave, left. Leave the place, left. Okay. Lose, lost. Make, made. Quarrel, quarrel, quarrelled. Ed. Ride, so one more L you have to put. Okay. Ride, rode. Ring, rang. Shake, shaken. Shake will become shaken. Then show, showed. Shut, shut only, not shutted. Shutted is wrong. Okay. Many times we use when we talk also. Shutted, hurted, cutted. That is wrong. Shut will be shut only, even in past tense. Sink, sink will become sank. Smell, smelled, or smelt also you can write. Spend, spent. T, D will change to T. Steal, stole. Strike, struck. Swim, swam, or you can write swimmed also. Take, taken. Tear, tear, tore. T-O-R-E, tore. Tell, told. Think, thought. Think, thought. Then threw, throw. Throw will become threw. Travel, travelled. Wear, o'er. Wind, wound. Work, worked. Okay, children, see here, present tense to past tense, these set of words which I have written for you. Okay. Attacked, attract, attracted. Bite, bit. Build, built. cancel, cancelled, catch, caught, choose, choose, came, come, came, dig, dug, dive, dived, drink, drank, drive, driven, drone, droned, fall, fell, feed, fed, find, found, flew, flew, fly, flew, forget, forgot, freeze, froze, give, gave, grow, grew, have, had, hit, hit, hold, held, hurt, hurt, keep, kept, kneel, knelt, net, netted, know, knew, learn, learnt, leave, left, lose, lost, make, made, quarrel, quarrelled, ride, rode, ring, rang, shake, shaken, show, showed, shut, shut, sink, sank, smell, smelled, send, sent, steal, stole, strike, struck, swim, swam, take, taken, tear, tore, tell, told, think, thought, throw, threw, travel, travelled, wear, o'er, wine, wound, work, worked. Okay children, now we'll see fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with the past tense form of the verb they have given. You have to write past tense. See here, net, we have discussed, no, netted, like that. Okay, my mother dashed this pullover for me, netted. Past tense of that verb. Okay, you don't have to worry for the sentence also. The baby cry, cry will become cried at the top of its noise. The clock dashed 11, strike, strike is struck. Next, what words they have given here, it's there in this. Okay, you can make out, or if it is not there also, you can write the past tense easily. Okay, next, he dashed better after the injection. Feel is there, past tense is felt. She dashed the tea before drinking it. Stir, stirred, stir, stirred, double R ed you have to write. Mother dashed me to drink the bitter medicine. Compel, past tense is compelled, ed, lled. Nasir dashed to school because he was late. Hurry, hurried, rried, y will become ied. He dashed to give his name and address. Forget, forgot. Okay, did you understand children? Now we'll see past simple past tense and the past continuous tense. Okay, I'll solve you the first main, and we'll go to future tense after this. Okay. Okay children, you can see here, fill in the blanks with the simple past and or past continuous forms of the following verb. Same as how we have solved the previous fill in the blanks. Depends on the question, you have to write the past tense, simple past tense or past continuous tense. Okay, like I dash a cold yesterday. Catch, caught. Okay, past tense. Ring, rang. Begin, began. This is stand, stood. Sing, sang. So the main important concept you have to understood is converting this present tense to past tense. Okay, stand, stood, sing, sang, go, went, reach, reached. So in this sentence, eat is becoming eating, so it is continuous but past continuous. Was shows past tense, isn't it? He was eating an ice cream. Met, meet, met. Finish, finished. Eat, ate. Speak, spoke. Visit, visited. Recognize, recognized. See, saw. Jump, jumped. Leave, left. Learn, learnt. That is what the main thing you have to understand. See the verb and write the past tense. Okay, now we'll see future tense. We have discussed. Okay, so if you learn fill in the blanks, is more than enough for me children. Okay, so I am going directly to future tense. So as I told you, will, shall, All these words shows you the future tense and verb is not changed. Let us see the fill in the blanks over here also. The bus dash at 12:30 p.m. Leave is the verb they have given. So what I have to add? Will, helping verb, will leave. Will show you the future tense. The doctor will come late tomorrow. Come. Verb is not changing here, children. See carefully. In future tense, verb will not change. Like come will not become came. Have will not become had. Finish will not become finished. As it is, you have to write. Finish is finish only. But you have to use the helping verb. So if you want to see which helping verb you have to see, you can refer here. For I and we, I have to use shall. For you, she, it, they, for all this I have to use will. Okay. The doctor will come late tomorrow. I. See, for I have not used will. I have not used. I have used shall. I shall have my dinner at 8 o'clock because according to rules, for I have to use shall. For we, I have to use shall. Are you sure that he will finish the work by the next morning? So verb is not changing, only helping verb I am writing. The Shatabdi Express will arrive late today. We will, okay. When will you return my book? He said, I shall speak to the principal. Raja said, I am sure we will win the match. I am tired. I shall go to bed early. Will you help me? She asked. So I have used only these verbs. I have not changed that. I have written as it is. Along with that helping verb I wrote. For future tense, this is more than enough, children. Read this. Practice this well. Okay. See you in the next video. Thank you.